Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Health-Wise Shula. So today's video is actually a continuation of my previous video that I cleaned and organized my fridge. If you haven't watched that video, I'll go ahead and put the link to that video in the description of this video. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you how I save money using my freezer. Yes, I saved a lot of money using my freezer, and I'll be sharing how I do that throughout this video. So if that is something you're interested to see today, please stay tuned. But first, let's start by cleaning and organizing the freezer. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to click the like and the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. To my returning subscribers, I love you so much for watching and thank you for your continuous support. So if you have been watching my previous videos, you will notice the filing method. I also use the filing method with most of my organization in my house. So today I'll be trying this filing method in my freezer. Let's see how it turns out, and let me know in the comment area if you like this filing method. Broccoli, you can see them and just go ahead and remove them without disorganizing the rest of the stuff. So I also have these organizers that I got from the Dollar Tree. So in here I'm just putting stuff that I want to be frozen in here, like this yellow pepper, green pepper. So my vegetables that most of my vegetables that I chopped, I'm just gonna put them in here. Most of my chopped vegetables, will just go in here so that whenever I need it, this, I know this is my chopped vegetable, so I'm just gonna put this in here. So in here I have my spices. As you can see, they're in cubes. So I blended the spices and then make them in cubes so that when I want to use it in cooking, I could just grab 1 or 2 or 3 cubes depending on the size of what I'm cooking. So this right here is green spices that I blend all together. So this works easier for me. And here I have my garlic, also in cubes that I can get. And here is my ginger. So I'm just gonna go ahead and store all of my spices here, so when I need it, it's easy for me to just pull this out when I'm cooking and just remove the cubes. Green spices, garlic, and ginger. So yes, that's And lastly, this is for my partially cooked food items. So here I have some beans. So what I do is I boil a lot of beans and then put some in the freezer so that when next I want to cook, I don't have to go through the entire process of boiling it. I can just grab one of this and cook it. So yeah, this is how it looks. So that is it for my 3 organizers. If you've watched this far, please do not forget to click on the like and the subscribe button. So this method of storing your vegetables in the freezer helps to save a lot of money and prevents waste. If you're looking at this freezer right now and wondering where is all the meat, beef, chicken, don't worry, I do not mix my beef product with my vegetables, so I have a smaller freezer where I put all my meat products in. So for the door of the fridge, I don't really have much that goes here. If you have any ideas, please let me know in the comment area. So here I put things like popsicles or ice cream over here, and here it's mostly the cold packs, like medical stuff for you know, injuries. Yeah, so I just put this here in case of an injury, you have like a cold pack to use. So this is